Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change language on Google Maps app. So let's just get started. So if you want to change language on your Google Maps application, what you can do is just simply open up your Google Maps app, and after opening up your Google Maps, now what you can do is just simply tap on the profile icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on your profile icon, now what you can do is tap on settings. After tapping on settings, in the top you can find app language. Just tap on app language and now you can change your language. So these are all the languages that Google Maps allows you to change. So now what you can do is just select your preferred language and you can easily change to your preferred language. So for example, I'll select this language, and after selecting that language, now you just have to tap on OK, and after tapping on OK, your Google Maps will restart and now you'll change your account's language. So that's it guys, this is how to change language on Google Maps app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.